I spent $400 on an actor to sell my AI business experiment. The result? You'd be surprised. From a digital planner's modest beginnings to a marketing revamp crowned by an unconventional sales pitch, discover how a simple method could turn the tables on fortune. Like many new age AI entrepreneurs, we kicked off with a planner crafted by AI, diving into the deep end of digital entrepreneurship. The goal was simple: make a profit. Yet the reality was anything but. Initial ads hinted at interest, but didn't convert to sales as hoped. The feedback loop from viewers wasn't just noise, it was a gold mine, suggesting we had the right idea, but needed to refine our approach. Driven by this insight, we chose not to back down, but to level up. The original product, while good, lacked the punch to stand out in a crowded market. Recognizing this, we expanded our offering from a mere 3 templates to a whopping 20. This wasn't just adding more, it was about enriching the value proposition of our planner. But the overhaul didn't stop at product enhancement. The real game changer was our marketing pivot. Initially, our strategy was straightforward, perhaps too much so. The mixed results from our first ad campaigns were a clear sign that potential was untapped. Inspired by the encouragement from our audience and the initial promise our efforts showed, we set the stage for a bold marketing transformation. This journey from a nascent digital product to a strategic marketing overhaul wasn't just about persistence, it was a calculated response to the feedback received and the market dynamics at play. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel. We scaled the planner from a modest trio of templates to a robust collection of 20. This was a deliberate move to elevate the product's value and appeal. Each template, carefully crafted and diverse, aimed to cater to a broader audience, ensuring there was something for everyone. The addition of motivational quotes transformed the planner. Sourced through ChatGPT, these nuggets of wisdom weren't mere fillers. They were thoughtfully selected to resonate with users, turning every page into a moment of inspiration. The integration wasn't random, but a calculated effort to deepen the product's impact and usability. We then showcased the transformation with a clear visual contrast. Before and after shots not only highlighted the quantitative increase in templates, but also qualitatively demonstrated the enriched content and design. The visual storytelling was key, making the improvements tangible and compelling to potential buyers. The leap in template numbers was a strategic one. It wasn't about quantity alone, but also offering variety and quality, making the planner not just a tool, but an experience. The decision reflected a deeper understanding of our audience's needs and preferences, tailoring our product to meet them more effectively. Bonuses came into play as a strategic twist, adding layers to our offering. These aimed at boosting the planner's perceived value and tipping the scales towards conversion. The concept here was simple: offer more and make it irresistible. Looking back, the enthusiasm perhaps got the better of us, leading to an overzealous expansion of the product lineup. Switching gears to video ads was a strategic pivot. In a digital sea of static images, moving visuals grab attention, telling a story in seconds that pictures alone can't. This was about leveraging a medium that could showcase the planner's value in real time, making it impossible to scroll past. The journey to find the right voice for our product led us to Fiverr, a marketplace teeming with talent yet daunting in its breadth. The mission was clear: find an actor who could translate our digital planner's essence into a narrative that resonates. This is primarily about finding a partner who could find authenticity and relatability to our brand. Crafting the video script was a task for ChatGPT, our AI ally. The collaboration between human intuition and AI efficiency resulted in a script that felt like a conversation, not a sales pitch. Navigating Fiverr for the right collaborator was an exercise in clarity and communication. It wasn't about picking a service based on price or popularity, but about identifying a freelancer whose style and vision aligned with our objectives. This process was as much about listening as it was about telling, ensuring that our chosen partner understood the planner's value and how to convey it effectively. The budget for the UGC video was a balancing act between affordability and quality. Investing $105 for a 40-second spot was a calculated investment in content that could change the game. The cost had to justify the potential return, betting on the video's ability to engage and convert. Anticipating the impact of our actor-driven content, we expected more than just views. We expected engagement, trust, and conversions. Authentic UGC isn't just persuasive, it's proof of value, showing potential customers that what we're offering isn't just useful, it's indispensable. This approach was about breaking down barriers, making our digital planner not just seen, but felt. User-generated content stands as a testament to authenticity in a market saturated with polished pitches. Its power lies in its rawness, its ability to connect on a human level. This was a commitment to transparency, to showing real people benefiting from our product. In leveraging UGC, we aim to not just tell, but to show the real impact of our planner, making it not just a product, but a part of our customers' daily lives. After setting the stage with our innovative UGC video, the next logical step was to bring this vision to the masses. Launching into the Facebook ad campaign wasn't a leap of faith, it was a carefully orchestrated move. Armed with our compelling video content, we ventured into the realm of social media advertising with a clear goal: to transform viewers into users and interest into sales. The preparation for this campaign was meticulous. Creating ad sets was not a matter of guesswork, but a strategic assembly of data and target demographics. This phase was critical, ensuring that our investment would place our planner directly in front of those who needed it most. Allocating our budget was a calculated decision, balancing the need for wide exposure with the imperative of cost-effectiveness. This wasn't indiscriminate spending, but an investment in our product's visibility and appeal. We monitored the campaign's heartbeat throughout real-time data, ready to pivot and adapt based on what the numbers told us. Ad analytics weren't just numbers, they were our guidepost. They illuminated the path forward, showing us which aspects of our campaign hit the mark and which needed refinement. The continuous loop of feedback was about evolution. Success was measured not just in clicks or views, but in meaningful engagement and conversion. The true test of our video's ad efficiency lay in its ability to foster trust, pique interest, and ultimately persuade. These metrics were invaluable, painting a clear picture of our strategy's impact. Based on the insights garnered, adjustments were inevitable. Each tweak and modification was informed by data, honed by the campaign's initial performance. Our future strategies would be built on this foundation of knowledge, aiming not just for incremental improvements, but for significant leaps forward in effectiveness. Pivoting from my success with the digital planner, let's dive into a booming niche you can dominate with the lessons from this journey: digital stickers on Etsy. This is your gateway to tapping into the explosive potential in digital markets with minimal upfront cost. Using ChatGPT and Midjourney, we've crafted a step-by-step playbook that mirrors our approach but targets a fresh, burgeoning market. First up, market research on Etsy is your compass. It guides you to niches buzzing with buyer interest, yet not drowning in competition. This step is crucial. It's about identifying where your unique digital stickers can fill a void and capture attention. With your niche pinpointed, ChatGPT becomes your brainstorming partner. It helps you churn out creative sticker ideas that are not just diverse, but tailored to your audience's interest. This is where the magic starts, turning vague concepts into concrete ideas ready for design. Enter Midjourney, your design wizard. It transforms those ideas from ChatGPT into vibrant, market-ready digital stickers. This phase is about bridging creativity with commerce, ensuring each sticker is not just visually appealing, but also highly marketable. Launching on Etsy isn't about blending in, it's about standing out. Your shop setup and product listings are your digital storefront. Here, you'll leverage the insights gained from our campaign, focusing on clarity, engagement, and appeal to turn browsers into buyers. Consider the scalability of selling digital products. Without the constraints of physical inventory, each sale boosts your margin, and the sky's the limit. This hustle is designed for growth, allowing you to expand your range and reach over time. Our journey underscores a simple truth. With the right mix of technology and creative strategy, the digital marketplace is ripe with opportunities for those willing to innovate and execute. This adventure from a humble digital planner to engaging video ads and expanding into the digital sticker niche on Etsy serves as a blueprint. Use it well. Also, don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell icon. That way you don't miss any updates to the channel. And please, check out our other cool videos on this channel.